Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, right, what are the indications of coronary artery bypass grafting? This is coronary artery bypass grafting. So, what is the indications of coronary artery bypass grafting? Coronary artery bypass grafting is indicated for three vessel disease. It is indicated for three vessel disease or two vessel disease, and the two vessel disease, it is indicated for two vessel disease which includes the proximal left descending coronary artery. So it is indicated for three vessel disease, two vessel disease which is including the or involving the proximal left descending coronary artery, or it also includes the impaired global left ventricular function mainly due to the mainly if the left ventricular ejection fraction is less than 50% or in diabetes mellitus. And this coronary artery bypass grafting is also initial method of revascularization for those with left main coronary artery disease, and it is also useful for lesions which are actually unsuitable for catheter based procedures. So in them we can do this coronary artery bypass grafting. Then, what grafts are used in coronary artery bypass grafting? So, the grafts used in coronary artery bypass grafting are, we can use a left internal mammary artery graft can be used, a left internal mammary artery graft. Then we can also use a right internal mammary artery graft can be used, left internal mammary artery graft, right internal mammary artery graft is also used. Along with that, we can use a radial artery graft, and long saphenous vein graft is also used in these patients. Next.
thank you and thank you for watching.